The first thing that we're going to do is figure out where to make circles. And we have a handy little way of making circles. At every other site, we have scattered them around. This site, we knew that the soil would be deeply compressed because this is where they place the snow in the wintertime. And so to give the seeds just a better chance, we're actually doing, seeds prefer to be in the dark. And so we're just giving enough of a layer so that we can scatter and then cover. On your start, ready, set, go. Fabulous. Oh, hooray, here comes the train.